wanna drive a fancy car today. I don't wanna ride in a red Corvette. I don't wanna jog my Saturday away, but I don't wanna go home yet. Today is not the day to jump out of a plane. I don't wanna parasail or play roulette. I don't wanna risk it all or go insane, but I don't wanna go home yet. I just wanna watch the birds go by from my handy foldable blue canvas throne. I wanna watch them fly and fly and see them soar up into the unknown. But I'd feel just like a nerd watching birds, watching me here all alone. I don't wanna break dance or learn taekwondo. I don't wanna fish till all the fish are gone. I don't wanna roller skate even if it's slow. I don't wanna pass out in a marathon. I don't like soccer, baseball, track or field. I'm not up for a match of polo. I don't wanna seek or try to stay concealed. I'm also not up for water polo. I just wanna watch the birds up there, track the migratory patterns that they've flown. I wanna watch them from my chair, with my binoculars, my latte and my phone, trying to spot a lark in the park, parked in nature all alone. Alone here with the doves, the sparrows, the ospreys, the owlets, the egrets, and my list. It's just me and Mr. Finch, the robins, the kingfishers, the snipes, though I heard they don't exist. Each little species in its little way can teach me what awaits you if you can get away. I wanna watch the birds do what they will. Sorry if I'm ornithologically prone. I wanna watch from somewhere undisturbing, quiet, calm, still. Sit right here and gaze at the unknown. I don't wanna fly in the sky, I just wanna be alone. It's not a big deal or anything, I just wanna be alone.